This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening your phone settings and selecting Security or Biometrics. Choose Fingerprint and follow the prompts to enroll a fingerprint. Repeat enrollment for multiple fingers and both hands to increase reliability. Create a strong backup PIN of 6 to 8 digits and store it securely. After enrollment, test unlocking several times and when locked. Keep the sensor clean and dry before enrollment and during daily use to maintain consistent reads and reduce errors. Enroll the same finger at slightly different angles to improve recognition. Add at least 3 fingerprints including opposite hand digits for redundancy. Update fingerprints whenever skin conditions change, such as cuts or extreme dryness. Use the phone case that you will normally use during enrollment to preserve sensor alignment. Re-enroll fingerprints after major system updates or factory resets for optimal performance and security. Periodically remove and re-clean the sensor for consistent reads and set auto-lock to a short interval like 30 seconds to prevent unauthorized access. Enable Fingerprint plus PIN or biometric confirmation for banking apps and mobile payments. Store your backup PIN in a password manager or a physically secure place you can reach. Disable fingerprint unlock when handing the phone to strangers or for forensic-sensitive situations. Regularly check security settings and update software to patch biometric vulnerabilities and maintain both convenience and protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.